Hi everyone, this is Serena from Mayspring, and in this video we'll be answering the question, is mica powder safe for lips? Well, the proper answer is not all of them. While mica itself is safe for lips, non-toxic and cosmetic grade, and most metallic and mineral coatings that provide the vibrant colors in mica powders are skin safe, some colors are not considered lip safe by the FDA, which places strict guidelines on the substances that can be used on the lips to avoid risks of internal consumption. For instance, any colorant containing chromium oxide greens, ferric ferrocyanide, or ultramarines shouldn't be used on lip products, but other mineral components prevalent in micas like iron oxide, titanium dioxide, or zinc oxide are perfectly safe. Making your own lip gloss can be as simple as adding your favorite lip-safe mica powder to your preferred lip gloss base. So keep watching this video to see how it's done. Let's go over the supplies needed. Mayspring Lip Safe Mica Powder, color of your choice, stir sticks, pre-made lip gloss base, lip gloss containers and a small funnel or syringe, measuring spoons, and mixing cup.
In this tutorial, we'll show two different variations. The first with 1/32 of a teaspoon of wine red mica, and the second using 1/16 of a teaspoon of rose quartz mica powder to color about a 10 milliliter lip gloss tube. Simply add your measured mica powder to the lip gloss base and stir. You can see that these mixtures become slightly colored and have a gorgeous shimmer. This low opacity is perfect for creating a subtle effect in your lip gloss or adding radiance to a still translucent product. For a more intensely colored lip gloss, add about 1 gram of mica or to 1/8 of a teaspoon per 10 milliliters of lip gloss base. Just stir until fully incorporated and indulge in the vibrant color and pearlescent effects. Have fun and experiment with different colors and ratios to find the perfect level of opacity for your homemade lip products.
Finally, use a small funnel or syringe to transfer the lip gloss mixture to your container. And voila! Your lip gloss is ready to use or give as a lovely DIY gift. If you are wondering which Mayspring colors are considered safe for lips, in the description below, we have listed for your reference all the Mayspring pigments suitable for your homemade lip products. Check the blog article linked in the description below for more info about mica powder on lips and even a DIY lip balm recipe. As always, make sure to follow the instructions provided by your lip gloss base manufacturer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more from Mayspring.